Okay. Well, let's try this question. They say there's this f of x is ax squared plus bx plus c. Well, that's the standard form of a parabola. So there, f, that makes sense. I know a must be negative because it's unhappy, and p and q is the turning point. But they tell you that there's this line that goes straight through the top through the turning point, and they even tell you the g of x is equal to 4. So it's y equals 4. There's a line h here that's minus x plus 5. Well, we're going to use that later on. But let's just try, and the first thing they say, determine the values of p and q. Well, q is really easy because this is the y equals 4. It goes right through the turning point, so q must be 4. That's the first thing. G of x is a horizontal line parallel to the x-axis, and it hits right here at q there, so q must be 4. Okay, so there's that one. Now the next one, I was trying to think of all other clever things to do once when I looked at it, and then I look at it and I go 1 and 5. Oh, by symmetry, the axis of symmetry, which goes through P, the turning point, must be right in the middle of 1 and 5. By symmetry, we know that 1 plus 5 over 2, P must be 3. So there we go. We've got P is 3 and Q is 4. Now determine the equation of F. Well, there's something called the turning point form of a parabola. And we can go, I don't know what A is, but x minus 3 plus 4, 3 squared plus 4, that's the equation of this parabola. We don't know what A is, but hey, they've done something nice for us here. They've given us a point right here. When y is 0, x is 5. So let's put 5 in there and 0. I guess we could use 1 and 0 too. We're going to get the same thing. We'd get the same answer. But 5 minus 3 is 2 squared. That's 4a plus 4. We subtract 4, or we subtract 4a and divide by negative 4. A is equal to negative 1. Hey, that's a good thing because it's an unhappy parabola. Now all we have to do to get the equation, it's this equation. We replace a with minus 1. And there's the equation in turning point form of F. All done.